अच्छा, so guys, here we are. Let's start today the classification of business activity. ठीक है? अच्छा, firstly we need to understand that an economy operates in three different sectors. ठीक है? But the percentage might be different. It depends upon the situation of the economy. If do remember one thing, that if it is a developed country, let's say for example UK, USA, they'll be focusing more on tertiary, that is the service sector, and countries with less developments, और let's say अगर वो country जो है हमारे पास कोई पाकिस्तान टाइप कंट्री होगा जो कि अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्री है, जो कि डेवलपिंग कंट्री, इट विल बी फोकसिंग मोर ऑन प्राइमरी सेक्टर. ठीक है? सो लेट्स क्लासिफाई देम. Firstly, we have primary sector. What basically primary sector is, let's have a look at the meaning of the word primary, yani basic. ठीक है? So this basically means that all the business activities which are related to, let's say, farming, fishing, mining, and cropping, all of that, they are related to the nature. ठीक है? And let's say extracting of raw materials from land, that is coal mining, is a part of primary sector. uh, Using more of natural resources for, let's say, fishing and other different things, example agriculture as well, is a part of primary sector. So you can see uh, in this particular picture that it is closely identified that the farmers are picking up the crops or they are harvesting it, right? So this is basically the area of primary sector. And here in this particular picture, in a 360-degree circle, we can see that mostly approximately half of the area is for primary sector. Why is that so? Because in this particular world, mostly countries are developing economies or underdeveloped economies. Superpower can only be one. There can only be a fight of superpower between 3 to 4 countries. Let's say, for example, Russia, America, UK, USA, and China, right? So these can be identified or set as fully developed countries or fully developed economies, right? But mostly different countries, let's say the countries of Africa, the countries of mostly Asian continent countries, ठीक है? They are mostly focusing on primary sector. ठीक है? Next sector, another classification is secondary sector, right? Secondary sector, we can see that uh, business activity that is related to those goods which are, let's say, part of garment factory, car factory, or those who are said as manufacturing businesses. Let's say, for example, I'm giving you an example. Crops are coming from primary sector, ठीक है, and they are converted into finished or semi-finished products in a secondary sector, right? So those firms that are manufacturing or processing goods and services from the natural resources, ठीक है, are a part of secondary sector. ठीक है? अच्छा, ये सेक्टर क्या है? जहाँ पर गाड़ियों को बनाया जा रहा है, गारमेंट्स की एक फैक्ट्री लगी हुई है, लेट्स से लैपटॉप को बनाया जा रहा होता है, मोबाइल्स को जो बनाया जा रहा होता है, इंजीनियर बना रहा होता है. ठीक है? तो ये सब सेकेंडरी सेक्टर का पार्ट है. And next we have the tertiary sector. Tertiary sector, also known as the service sector. Secondary sector known as the manufacturing sector. ठीक है? Tertiary sector. Tertiary sector में क्या involve होगा बेटा? जब मैंने कह दिया it is a service sector. So the basic example can be insurance companies, transportation companies, education, banking, hospitals, travel agencies, etc. So those firms who provide services to the customers and other businesses in an economy are classified as businesses which are under the tertiary sector. So I hope this is clear to you guys. Next uh, thing we have is industrialization and deindustrialization, two different things, two opposite things, right? First of all, let's have a look at industrialization. मतलब इंडस्ट्रीज को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लगाना, इसका सिंपल मतलब यही होता है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप जो है वो इंडस्ट्रीज लगाने के सेक्टर यानी सेकेंडरी सेक्टर को, जो कि डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज में पाया जाता है, उसको ग्रो करवा रहे हो, तो वो इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन में काउंट होगी, ठीक है। अब जहां पर मेरे पास इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन है, तो वहीं पर मेरे पास ऑपोजिट साइड पर वी हैव डी इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, ठीक है। सो डी इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन बेसिकली आपको क्या बता रहा है, वो ये बता रहा है कि जब सेकेंडरी सेक्टर की इंपॉर्टेंस इज डिक्लाइनिंग, वी आर फोकसिंग मोर ऑन लेट्स से प्राइमरी सेक्टर, ठीक है, या फिर सिर्फ टर्शरी सेक्टर पर फोकस कर रहे हैं, तो उससे इंडस्ट्रीज नहीं लगनी फिर इकोनॉमी में ना। तो इस चीज को वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। सो गाइस, आई होप कि इट इज ऑल क्लियर टू यू नाउ।